The first step is to turn on your mobile device. Playing the 30-second video is step 2, and earning money is step 3. Watching one video can reward you up to $5, but viewing 20 can earn you about $100, and watching 100 can earn you $500 every day, which is pretty fantastic. It is simple for new employees who have never made money before. The good news is that you may access this for free and can get started right away anywhere in the world. I'll lead you through the registration procedure and suggest which videos to view to maximize your earnings. Additionally, I'll give you some unique pointers that will help you earn 3 times as much money as the typical person. So pay attention and watch this video all the way to the finish. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. I want you to visit gg2u.org to start. You can register for this website right away at no cost at all. Simple ways to start making money include participating in surveys, playing games, and simply viewing videos. We're going to focus on viewing videos and earning money with them because it's one of the easiest strategies that everyone can do without any prior knowledge. The best feature of this website is that you may create a free account and right away get a $1 bonus for doing so. All that is needed is your first name, email address, username, and password. By selecting the downward pointing arrow in the country area, you can see that they accept visitors from all across the world. No matter where you're from, you can still make money online with this global opportunity. Simply click here to accept the terms and condition after entering all of your information, and then click the orange sign up button to access the page where you can get $1 for free just for opening a free account. Another reason I appreciate this service is the multitude of ways you can get your money and payments. Gift cards, PayPal, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies are accepted forms of payment. If you're from a country where you don't have a PayPal account, you can also receive your money by Skrill, Paytm, Gcash, bank transfer, or any other payment options. Thanks to this service, you have numerous possibilities for watching various videos online while making money. As you can see, compared to other websites, which only provides rates between 40% and 60%, they offer a high rate ranging from 65% to 85%. You will notice "Welcome to GG2U" after finishing the sign-up process on this website. We are a very high-paying source for offer wall offers as well as survey routers. You'll get a payout of up to 65% or even 85%. You'll get $1 in credit for every 100 coins. You will be compensated in coins on this website, and you can exchange 100 coins for $1 in real money. Additionally, if you hit $7, you can begin withdrawing your money, which equals 700 coins. By going to the next page, you can start earning money right now. So just scroll down and click this. Click to continue button. After clicking the button, you will see the following message. Here are some activities that are extremely easy to do to start earning. Remember that $1 is equal to 100 coins once more. By scrolling down below, you can see that there are a ton of offers you may complete on this website. You can complete all of these offers and generate a number of different revenue streams. Once more, viewing videos will be main focus of our strategy. So if you want to make money by doing nothing but watching films like this, be sure to stay watching and pay attention to my instructions. To discover the disclaimer that reads, "Note, some of these offers are only available for a limited time, so try to do them as soon as possible." Scroll to the bottom of this page. Complete these offers if you want to increase your earnings. If you only want to make money from watching videos, however, scroll to the bottom of this page and hit the "I am done with this page" button. This will take you to your account. This is the dashboard for the GG2U website. You receive $1 after registering for a free account. As shown above, you can begin making withdrawals after you have another $6. Remember that before you can withdraw your money, you must earn a minimum of $7. If you scroll down further, you'll notice that there are a ton of additional ventures and opportunities available to you. AdGate Media, Peanut Labs, AdGem, and Offerturo are a few examples. These are all fairly well-known companies that offer you fantastic opportunities to start making money, such as filling out surveys, installing apps, viewing movies, and so forth. Simply click on any of these firms to start making money. I'd like to provide you with one more example. You can complete further offers to earn money online at the official Ascend Media website by clicking this button, which will take you there. You can take advantage of free trials, participate in surveys, and download mobile apps to make money. Many opportunities are available on a single website. If you want to start making money by only watching videos, just click this video button. You'll notice that for every 200 video points you collect, you'll get a silver token that raises your account balance by $1 to $3. You can therefore earn between $1 and $3 for each video you upload. You can view videos about cuisine, viral videos, and chill videos to get money online. These are just a few of the channels that are available to watch. Scroll down further to read the statement. Earn video points by just finishing any of these videos. If you scroll down below, you can see there are several videos here. Even better, select Load More Offers from the menu. You are able to keep making money in this way while watching an infinite amount of videos. I'll provide one instance. This page will be displayed if you click the orange Hideout TV Chillax button. To start making money online, go here and begin watching videos on Hidden TV, like in this video. For the video you view that is an exact replica of this one, you might make anywhere between $1 and $3. I'll provide you with a few extra pointers to assist you boost your internet income. When you click on the gear setting option over here, I want you to go ahead and choose the lower setting, which are 240p. I want you to pick the least expensive choice because whether you're watching on your phone or computer, clicking on many videos and channels and watching them all at once is the greatest way to maximize your profits. You should use the lowest settings because they can increase your income by 3 or even 5 times, but they also consume a lot of data or internet speed. I'd like to make you another proposal after that. By looking at the Viral Videos channel up next area on the right side of the section, you can select and view a number of further videos where you can earn bonus money up to $4 or $5 for each video, so that they can gain points and convert those points into real money. Make sure you view the entire video and all the videos. You can use any device, whether you view them on an iPhone or an Android phone. To make money with this chance, simply click the next button to unlock 9 more bonus videos after you've finished watching the 7 bonus videos. This is a great way for you to keep viewing videos over and over again while making a ton of money online. Once you've finished watching one station, you may simply switch to the next one. There are so many videos here that you could just keep watching them and making money. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.